Well, hello there. Thank you so much for tuning into my channel, and today we're in for a treat with this beautiful wig. And this beautiful wig comes with a surprise. Stay tuned. Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. So today we are talking about this unit, this spicy bad baby right here. Put in the caption what she's giving. What am I giving? What is this unit giving? What is this giving? But this unit right here is called Laurel by Outre, and it is in the color Cajun Spice. This unit is definitely an interesting one. And let me just say right off the bat, my top most favorite thing about this unit is its accommodation. It's graceful accommodation. It's graceful accommodation for my widow's peak. The way the hairline is, it comes up a little, just a tad bit, so that I don't have to constantly worry about my widow's peak coming out. But we'll talk more about it. Stay tuned. If only you knew how much you mean to me, then you would be astonished to compassion. Okay. All right. Oh. Oh. It is giving 40s, 50s, whatever it is, vintage. Hold on. Okay. All right. So right now I am showing you guys the lace, and as I mentioned before, my favorite thing about this lace is how it has that accommodation for my widow's peak. And the ear tabs come down just long enough if you need that extra space. This is Laurel and Cajun Spice. And this color certainly is spicy now. Oh my. Oh my. Who me? Little old me. Alright, let's cut the lace. Now I will tell you, this wig comes with this faux scalp feature, which you'll soon find out I am not a fan of. I'm pointing out that the hairline itself I love, and this is part of the perfect hairline collection. But we're about to see this faux scalp thing that they tried to have going. Alright, let's check out this fake scalp.
Bruh.
First of all, what in the world?
Oh, jump scare.
What in the world? This cannot be it. Hold on, let me divide it all the way through the middle. What's going on here? Okay, let me apply my concealer color and see. Alright, I applied my concealer color in there. I feel like it's still this line of demarcation thing. I really don't see the point of this fake scalp. If it starts with lace, why not just transition with the lace? But who knows? I'm gonna brush out this hair, and we're gonna see what it do. Aside from that disaster of a fake scalp situation, I do love the hair, and as you know, with any and all synthetic hair, it is gonna snaggle, is gonna tangle at the ends while you're brushing it. But I have these clips in here just so that you can see how well or how well it doesn't brush. But this hair, it is more silky. It's not like the other yaki textures in their line. I feel like I want it to come this way for it to be a vibe. But I like how it has accommodation for my widow's peak. And part of the details, this frontal situation is a 13x6, where it has the 6 depth rights in the middle. So you can pretty much do anything you want with this hair. As you see in the ends, sometimes the ends get a little frayed looking, but a tip is to twirl it like that and just let the curls fall out. But this color is a very, very, very gorgeous color. I just got to develop the, the confidence to go outside with it. But as for looking cute in videos, it seems like I got that down packed. Thank you, Holy Spirit. But yeah, one of my favorite things as well, in addition to the accommodation for the widow's peak in the lace section in the very beginning, is the swoop. Listen, if a wig is giving me this kind of swoop, it's 100 in my book. It's 100 in my book. This is giving Jessica Rabbit. That's what it's giving. This is giving Jessica Rabbit. Oh my. Oh my. She's spicy. One thing about me, if you come on my channel, you're gonna get personality. But I'm just feeling myself for the rest of the video. But thank you guys so much for tuning in. If there are any other wigs that you would like for me to try, please let me know in the comments. If you have any other comments, well, let me know. Feel free. Let's engage. Make sure you like and make sure you subscribe. See you next time.